Okay, this is 4.6 Ford F-150. What we are doing here is we are replacing timing chain. This is a dual timing chain with a single overhead can with the can facers. As you can see here, we got the letter R and next to it an arrow. There is where the black dot of the timing chain will be lined up with. I put a pair of vice grips on the back of the can. It's got a good space there where you can grab the can without causing any damage to it. Otherwise, you have to buy the special tool to set it in place. I got one in the other side as well. Um, what I did so far, what I have done so far is, as far as lining the timing chain, is that I spun the engine a couple times, making sure that there was no uh, damage to the chain and it was well synchronized. It hasn't skipped a teeth or anything. Uh, there's a way that the owner's manual tells us that we can know when we have a top cylinder also number one in position. See the slope for the camshaft. These two must be going up. That's the two exhaust slopes for the camshaft. That is for the exhaust valves. Then we have the emission intake slope, also pointing upwards. So they're pointing this way and this way, pointing upwards. So we know that according to the owner's manual that we are in TDC. We are in timing detonation compression position. So we removed the timing chain cover. Got that done already. We already removed the the right hand, that is the passenger side timing chain. So far so good, not that complicated. Just gotta remove the coils, and we didn't have to mess with the spark plugs, especially in this model. It's not really good to mess with those. They break. You have to be real careful. Plenty of room to work, and we just had to remove power steering pump, pull it to the side because it gets in the way. It's attached to the timing chain cover. We had 4 bolts in the bottom from the oil pan coming upward to the timing chain cover, and we also removed the water pump. So we got about 4 hours more or less to get to this point. We have to remove the crankshaft pulley, obviously, but so far so good. We're gonna line up there's the other mark right there for the new timing chain. It's gonna be lined up with that arrow right here. Looks like actually it looks like supposedly it's an I, letter I, but it looks like more like an L. So that is what we got so far. Then we have the old stuff here.